Taupe Textures Neutral Fabric Bundle. 5 pieces total, each cut 8 by 10 inches in rich, distinct textures. Easy to hand sew. This bundle includes a richly textured boucle fabric, has a loop texture to it. And be sure to stay till the end, and I will demonstrate how easy it is to use a embroidery needle on it for our slow stitchers. This is a linen blend, and it's a semi-sheer. You can see my hand through it. Same on the back as it is on the front. Here's a close-up. This is a plush Chanel fabric. And if you look closely, it almost has a heathered type appearance. But you can see it at this angle. That's the back. Very soft fabric. This is a silk fabric. You can see the nubbiness in the texture there. This is this does have a sheen to it. And on the back, there's a knit backing attached, so to help stabilize the silk. This is a lighter weight fabric. This is a tweed. There's variation in texture as far as the weave is concerned, so that would definitely give your project some interest. That's the back. Okay. And I'm using a size 8 embroidery needle with 3 strands of embroidery floss. And as you can see, this is relatively easy to sew. Okay. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.